Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the front loader. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going to repair. The wheel is broken. Pick up all the junk with wires. Super duper! That's it! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Excellent! Perfect! Put the patches in a silhouette. Trapeze. Super! Octagon. Crescent. Parallelogram. Semicircle. Magnificent! Connect the pump to the wheel. Wonderful! Pump it, pump it! Keep going! I knew you could do it! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Super duper! Awesome! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Perfect! Plug the wire into the right place. Red. Green. Violet. Blue. Blue. Yellow. I knew you could do it. Cracks and dents, we have to fix them. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Magnificent! Use a hammer to level out the dents. Super duper! Magnificent! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. Keep going. That's great! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. Great job! All done! Now help to assemble front loader. I knew you could do it. Now we can upgrade the parts. time to take the car to the construction site. Congratulations! Don't stop now! You got a sticker for your great work! Unwrap the reward, starting at the top. Wow! What an amazing sticker! Here are the fascinating stickers you collected.
Bye.